Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's question is two sum. It is an easy level problem marked at coding ninjas. So the question is that you're given an array of integers and an integer target, and we need to return all the pairs such that they add up to the target. For instance, our question is, let's say we will, let me take some another example. Okay, so 2, 7, 11, and 13. This is an array 2, 7, 11, and 13. Our target given here is 9. So we need to return all the pairs that adds up to 9, right? So for this, we can calculate all the pairs like 2, 7, 2, 11, 2, 13, 7, 11, or 11, 13. Either we can do this approach and then check if any of these turns up to adds up to 9, right? Or we can do a simple approach, that is this approach that I am saying. It will take a time complexity of n square, right? That you will traverse over the array and check if ARR of I plus ARR of j is equal to target, then you will return I and j as your answer. ARR of I and j as your answer, right? And these are stored in a vector, right? However, to reduce this in O of n, what we can do is we can go up to a solution that is a map, that uses a map. So map वाले solution में क्या होगा? Map solution will do is कि ये जो आपका पहले हमने क्या करा, 2 को मैप में स्टोर कर दिया और उसका इंडेक्स स्टोर कर दिया, राइट? तो फिर आप जब नेक्स्ट इंडेक्स पे गए, दैट इज 7, so you will check 9 minus 7 is 2. You will check if 2 is present in the map. If yes, you will return that this these two elements add up to pair, add up and give a pair as 9, right? And then you will traverse like this. But however, this will also take a complexity, space complexity of O of n, and we don't want that. To reduce this and solve this question in just O of n, the simplest solution is first of all sort the array. The array is already sorted over here. Initialize two pointers at as I and j. While I is less than or equal to j, run a while loop and check if ARR of I plus ARR of j, 2 plus 13 is 15. 15 is greater than 9. So if your sum is greater than the target, then you will decrement your j pointer and you will move backwards because the array is sorted, right? And then you will again check ARR of I plus ARR of j, 9. Sorry, 11 plus 2 is 13. Still it is greater, then you will decrease your j pointer and check. Now it is equal to your target and you will save this in your answer vector and will return that. So the simple code is we need to return this in a vector of pair. Sort the array, initialize two pointers start and end while start is less than end. If end and start is equal to target, just push and start में increment किया and end को decrement करा. Similarly, if it is less than target, then you will start plus plus. If it is greater than target, you will do end minus minus, right? Submitting this, right? Thank you. Consider subscribing the channel too for more such videos.